Hello everyone, it's Sheila back again. Welcome to my channel. I've been asked by someone on one of my videos about how I do the video so you can show what my hands are doing, and I think I can't remember. I think it was Angela. She's haunting going on with Angela, Dave and Tony. I'll put a link to a channel in the description box when I do this, in case anybody wants to have a look at what she's up to these days. So I thought, I have shown this before, how I actually was filming the when I was doing tutorials and showing my hands what I was doing. And I usually did them, and this is my kitchen I'm standing in. And what I usually did is this cupboard just up here. You just open this door, and this is my bingo board. It's hard, you know, like plastic. My lucky bingo board, because I'm very lucky when I go to bingo. And I put this in the cupboard, you just see sliding in, and I have a couple of tins like that stand on the couple of tins there that stand on the bingo board, and I have it sticking out like that. I need my phone. And what I did, well, I've got my phone here. I used to take my phone out of the cover. Cover's dropping to bits anyway. I think I need a new one. I used to take it out of the cupboard, and as you can see, the camera's on the back here. And I used to put it on this bingo board like that, so that the camera there was looking down, and I'll move this down. And my hands, you can see, well, the camera was a little bit higher than what I could see when I was actually doing the tutorial. So what I did was I put a ruler, what I could see on the on my phone, on the camera, I put a ruler so that it went up to the top of the as far as my hands would go up on the video. So I know when I was doing the video that I didn't have to have my hands go past that ruler, or else my hands would go off the screen and you wouldn't be able to see what I was doing. Well, that's what I did. That's how when I first started doing the tutorials, that's what I was doing. And it works really well, but like I'm saying, I couldn't see the phone. The phone was a little bit too high up for, I would have to stand on my tiptoes like this and to look down over at the camera. So that the ruler came in very handy there for keeping my hands on the screen. Because like I'm saying, I've seen one or two videos where the hands disappear off the screen and you can't see what they're doing. They might be good videos, but when that happens, you can't see what they're doing. And that's worked for me for quite a long time. And then at Christmas time, my granddaughter Cheryl, I think she was mentioning things, you know, what to buy for me for Christmas. So I'm going to show you what I got for Christmas and what I use now instead of the way I've got this all set up. I'll pause this video until I take it into the other room. So I am now in my living room. Well, this is a dining room actually, and this is my dining room table here, where I'm sitting at. And I now use this. It's a gooseneck. I don't know the proper name for it. It's a gooseneck thing, you know, you can bend the neck any which way you want, and down and around like that. And it comes in very handy, and I've slackened it off there. It comes in very handy. And I've slackened it off anyway, it's moving around easier. But all I do now is just put the camera, the phone goes into there, into the this part of the... I wish I knew the names for these things, you know. I think it's at my age you forget a lot of things, and names is one of them. I think I go through my kids and my grandkids' names, and I think about, oh, it doesn't before I get the right one. But it's very handy. This is what my grandson, David, thank you, David, it was something very thoughtful. I think you had a lot of hints and tips, especially off my granddaughter Cheryl. She does all of these, well, not knitting and that, what I do, but she does a lot of hair and thing like that. So she's got her own channel. So I think she's gave a few hints to our brother, David. And that's what I got off him for Christmas. And it was very handy. And the only problem with this though is if I'm sitting down, I can't see the video. So I usually do stand up when if I'm doing any tutorials, so that I can look on the top of the phone, because there again, oops, it's just fell off there. I slackened it off so it's falling all over the place now. Tighten it up a little bit. But if I'm standing, I've got to stand up so I can look on the camera, and I've got this bit of cardboard on here, so I try to keep, even if I was sitting down, I could still do it sitting down, because I've got the camera covers this whole bit of board, so I know that my hands is not going to go off the screen when I'm doing anything. But it's nice when your grandkids think of you and think of things like this, but it's very helpful, that, and it's a lot easier than I was doing it before from my cupboard. But if anybody hasn't got anything like this, if they've got the same capabilities that I've got with the cupboard over a bench and that, and a good strong bingo board to hold your phone on. And that's why I put those couple of tins on the bingo board as well. I kept it weighted down so it didn't fall off, because sometimes I had some lighter things, jars or things like that didn't have as much weight in them, and an odd time when I was doing the video, the board fell off the thing with the camera and everything, and I had to start all over again. But I like this. It's a good idea. And only I think I might get another one of these with a longer neck, so I can do it in my kitchen when I do shopping haul things. I can put it on one end of the table, and it'll stretch right over like that onto what I'm doing. You can't get ones with longer necks like this one's just handy for the tutorials, but I think the one with the longer neck would be better for putting on, so I can bend it a bit more different ways. Where this I can only bend it slightly, and that, but it's very good. So if you like my video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll let you in on any other little tidbits I come across. So bye for now.